production. Production can be defined as the transformation of raw material into finished goods and services and their distribution to customers to satisfy their wants. Production is also the creation of tangible goods like clocks, chairs, and tables. Production is only completed when it gets to the users or the consumer. There are three major groups of people in production. We have the distributors, the producers, and the consumers. Type of production: we have direct production and indirect production. Direct production is a type of production in which goods are produced for family use or for consumption. In direct production, family labor is required. Indirect production is a type of production in which goods are produced in large scale for sales or for the exchange of other needs. The indirect production is divided into two, which is the primary, secondary, and the tertiary production. Primary production is the extraction of raw materials from seas or land. Secondary production involves the transformation of raw material or semi-finished goods into final that will be acceptable by the customer. Tertiary production is concerned with the provision of commercial and professional services. Difference between primary, secondary, and tertiary production. The primary production, also known as the allied sector, provide raw material for goods and services. Secondary production, also known as the manufacturing sector, transforms one product into another by creating utility in it. The service sector, also known as the tertiary production, provides useful services or information for both the primary and secondary production. Unorganized. The primary sector of production is unorganized and they use traditional methods for production of goods and services. Secondary production, they are organized and they use best method for production of goods. Organized. The tertiary production are organized and they use modern day logics for production. Factors that determine the volume of production: we have the amount of capital. The amount of capital determines the volume of production. The greater the amount of capital, the higher the volume of production. We also have availability of raw material, the market size, and the level of technology.